Hello everyone, yesterday I received a package and what I ordered was this little thing what's called like a right angle viewfinder for the Move Shoot Move polar scope, and this thing is also from their Move Shoot Move online web store, and I think it's gonna be a great help. So in case you don't know what it's gonna do, but I think it's quite obvious, and also this is came with it. I mean, I ordered it as a separate item because when I ordered it, this bundle was sold out, but I ordered it separately. They came in the same package, so that's good. So it is for the Move Shoot Move polar scope. So if I guess if you watch this video, you probably you know what it is or how to use it. I mean, if you use the Move Shoot Move star tracker, then you need it for the precise polar alignment, what is essential if you wanna take pictures of the stars or the Milky Way or galaxies or anything like that. And you can see inside a little polar clock. Yes, it's there. And the problem usually, I mean, I guess most of us who living in the northern half of the earth, that it's gonna be somehow like this. So it means that you have to look from this direction to see the Polaris and align it accurately, but it's a little hard position to take, and I usually use the seat or a chair to, but even the chair was usually not the ideal height, so it still was a uncomfortable position for the alignment. And this thing is gonna help with that, because you can attach it really quickly with these screws. By the way, I have to note that there are three holes for screws, but only 2 screws arrived, and it is gonna change the angle, so you don't have to take these weird positions anymore to see through the polar scope, but you can view it from a much more comfortable position, because if you raise your tripod too high, then it's a bigger surface for the wind to move your tripod a little bit, and the smallest move for the tripod it can mess up your shots. So with this, and yes, what I didn't know first, and I was a little disappointed because the polar clock in the polar scope looked so blurry. So here is this little focus thing, so you can focus and you can adjust that how you're gonna be able to see the polar scope sharp. I'm not sure it's gonna be visible through, I mean, this way with the phone, but it is visible. And there is another great thing, and there is a little switch here, and you can switch easily to the 2 times magnification, and it's gonna magnify your polar clock, and it's even better this way, because you can get an even bigger accuracy this way. Okay, probably you can see it there, yeah, a little bit, at least part of it. So when you look your eye closed, then you see the entire polar clock, and it's not a problem. I mean, this little switch, sometimes it's a little stuck and hard to move, but then it just goes back to normal, and it's working fine. And they also included these little adapters. So if you want to use this thing for your DSLR, if you don't want to look upwards, or it is more comfortable for you, then you can use it. Add to some of the DSLRs, I guess. I'm just showing you the things on these little labels. If it's any help, I mean, I don't think I'm gonna use these, but it's okay to have these. And also you can change the angle of it, rotate it like this, and it's making a nice clicking sounds, but I wouldn't do it too much. It's not seems to be the best quality plastic, but you know, if you just want to use it and you don't really have to change many things on it, so I guess it's still gonna be sufficient for a long time, or good for a long time. I guess that's it what I can say about it. I will try to use it when the condition is gonna be good, and yeah, or at least try to use it, because I have some problem with my equipment at this moment, but that's another story. And thank you guys for watching. God bless.